At 25, he had nothing. No money, no job, no hope. Just a tiny apartment and a pile of debts. Everyone told him he'd never succeed, but what happened next changed his life forever. Meet John. He had always dreamed of starting his own business, but after his first startup failed, he lost all his savings and was drowning in debt. Friends stopped calling, even family doubted him. Every day felt like a battle he could not win. One night, John made a decision. He would not give up. He began studying successful people, learning new skills, and taking small steps. He offered services online for just a few dollars. Every failure became a lesson, every setback a stepping stone. Months of hard work paid off. John landed his first big client, then another. Slowly, his small project grew into a thriving business. The man who once had nothing now managed multiple companies and inspired thousands. His struggles didn't disappear. They made him stronger and wiser. The lesson? Hitting rock bottom isn't the end. It's the beginning. If you're willing to learn, work hard, and never give up, you can rise from nothing to greatness. Your story is still being written. Start today.